What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to day 20 of this 30-day challenge, and we are about to just 10 days away in having your awesome website, a complete system that we are building as part of this challenge. I'm very excited how our website will look on the day 30. So we are going step by step in creating the awesome website. I hope you are enjoying the challenge. And do let me know if you have any doubts or any clarifications on our Facebook group. I'm happy to help you guys. So yesterday, we have give some actions to the button, and we have created a basic membership layout, like adding the image, menu, logo. So today we are going to add a lock onto the learning page, so that once the persons go and sign up, click on the sign up button, he has to go through a system where he has to submit, where he has to create his username, email, password, so that to access the learning system in the future as well. So that system we are going to integrate today, and let's check it out in our computer. Alright guys, here we are on in my computer. So let's add the sign up lock onto the page. So what you need to do is just click on this page icon, and these are the two layouts that we have. The one is a membership layout. If you click on the membership layout, we have two pages. One is a Builderall learning and one is a home page, that is this one. So let's give it a meaningful name instead of home one. All right, let's give member access something. So it's going to update for the SEO as well. Wait. You need to give the same name here as well. Or you can put member area, whatever stuff you want. Member access, and save it. Okay. Member access. So let's click on this Builderall, and what you're going to do is there's already a lock. I'm going to remove it. I'm going to show you from scratch. So once you click on this layout, this page, the Builderall learning, all you need to do is click on this lock, the button here. So it's gonna completely lock down this page, and only person who has access to this learning course or learning platform can only access. What you're gonna click is, if you click on this, a pop-up will come. Now you can create give the restricted area name. So I'm gonna give is a Builderall learning. Let's click on next. So how you want to give the access to the person, like what is the registration method? Like you're gonna create a token, like some random number, and give him for the access. If you want to give for the free access for 7 days, give him a token. If you submit the token, he will have access for the 2-3 days or 7 days that you set up when you're creating the token. But I don't recommend it. I want you to capture the email and the username of the person who is really visiting to your website. So for that, we're going to choose the registration method as allowing people to sign up and access via email and password. So let's click on next. Now we have different access granting or choices. One is like automatically grant the access when the person has signed up, or release access when the person submits his email, and you need to confirm his email by like we're going to send an email to his email, and he has to click on the link to access this area. And the other one is manual and payment, and the payment which we're gonna create in the upcoming 1-2 days, that we're going to integrate it over the membership site. And the manual payment is you need to click his username to grant access manually. So grant access automatically for the Builderall partners. email password matches the active Builderall. That means the person who is already in your Builderall or the email list, is going to get automatically access to this new platform, the new course that you have created. So none of this we are going to check, only we are going to go with the automatically grant access to restricted area. Now click on next. You have the public key and private key of the Builderall mailing boss. What I meant to say is, once you have that person register into your membership site, you need to save his detail. Like you need to know who is that person, what is his name, what is the email ID, and you need to capture this lead into your email marketing system. And for that, you need to create a mailing list, which we have discussed in the earlier sections of the creating mailing boss integration. And now we are going to capture those leads into internet marketing mailing list. So click on this select. It's going to show you in blue color if you select it. Now next and save. So restricted area saved successfully. Boom, that's it. So what you're going to do is go back, click on save and publish. Now what you need to check is what are those details do you want to capture when the person is registered, by like in the registration process. So what you're going to do is click on the settings icon and manage user registration fields. Click on here. So you will have these options, like when the person is going to register on your page, he will go through this all fields like email, first name, password. He has to confirm the password and also submit his mobile numbers or whatever. It is by default showing WhatsApp. If you want to capture it, or else you can delete this. If you remove the custom field, all registered prices will be deleted. Do you want exclusion? Yeah, confirm. I want to remove this password, sorry, the WhatsApp field, and save it. So one more thing, guys, if you want the person to land on this member access page, you have to set up the navigation from your home menu, because person cannot directly access until he saw the link. So what you're going to do is we're going to configure this member access on the home page. Like we're going to give a button or a navigation to that takes the person to this landing this page. All right, so let's click on this home. So we have this services, blog and contact, right? Where is that? So let's either you can add a new menu like member access, or you can redirect the person to the from there to, or you can like you can redirect the members from directly from menu to the member access page. What we're going to do is we're going to configure this menu. Now we're going to add this member access to the menu. Now we're going to remove the services because we haven't worked on it until now. So let's click on the confirm. I don't want contact menu as well, which we're going to work on later. So I want to be a very minimal layout. So let's click on confirm, and it's going to change its appearance. So now what we're going to do is once he click on this menu page, he'll be redirected to the member access page that we have set up until now. Let's click on save it, save and publish. Now let's go and click on my umeshimmadishetty.com. Sorry. So here we are on computer, and let's click on this member access. So when you click the member access, a pop-up should come which will ask you to either log in with email and password. If you have never registered, you should click on register. So let's go and register here. I'm gonna give some name. Umesh. So I'm gonna click on register. Now it has taken me to the sign up page. Uh, Now let's click on sign up or login. Whatever the to make a registration, you need to log out. Okay, we are already logged in, right? We can here log out. But this is a basic idea. Once we integrate tomorrow with the payment system, everything will be in a flow, which I'm going to show you. This is just to let you know how all these things work individually. And now we're going to integrate all the stuff, including the payment system. One is PayPal and one is InstaMojo. Now let's check. I've given my username and my email ID, right? So this is the internet marketing is a list that we have checked that we have set up. So once the user gives his name and email ID, he has to get subscribed into our this emailing list. Now this is what we have, the three. Now let's go and refresh and check if this Vimrock store or something is yes. Now you see Vimrock at gmail.com has been entered. So this is how as we have set up, it's a one step submission. Like the user doesn't need to go and check his mail and click on his email ID to subscribe to confirm his subscription. So this is a straightforward stuff. So he doesn't need to go back to his email and click the link. So if he has to click the link, this is how a confirmed status will appear. But anyhow, we don't want to complicate the login process. If you wish, you can do that. It's completely depend upon your requirement. So this is how we can set up a uh, membership application on our website. But we will go more deep. Like we'll do the finalized version of this membership site, including the payment gateway tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.